Welcome to Java for Beginners. My name is Zachary Kingston, and I'm excited to be your instructor. In this course, we'll be learning the programming language Java, which was developed by Sun Microsystems in 1995, but has stood the test of time and remains highly relevant and widely used to this day. Whether this is your first foray into high-level object-oriented programming languages like Java, or if you've been programming for some time and you're just looking to add Java to your repertoire, or even if you've never touched a line of code in your life, this course is designed to accommodate you. We're going to move quick, and we're not going to shy away from heavy subjects, but we're going to begin this course from the very ground up and learn about the concepts behind object-oriented programming as we go. So what exactly is Java? Java is a high-level, general-purpose programming language. What this means is that rather than being created to accomplish one very specific task, Java allows us to write computer-readable instructions in an open-ended environment. Because it's not really feasible or even desirable for every computer system to have its own specialized programming language, the vast majority of code is written in high-level general-purpose languages like Java. Java is also what we call an object-oriented language. While we won't get into the specifics of objects and classes until a bit later in this course, know for now that objects allow us to define modular entities within our program that make it much more human readable and much more manageable to create large-scale software projects. A firm grasp of object-oriented concepts is absolutely essential for any modern software developer. Lastly, Java was designed with the intention that it be a write-once, run-anywhere language. That means if you and I both have systems with Java installed, even if our systems are not normally identical, for example, if I'm on a Windows machine and you're on a Mac, a Java program on my machine that I give to you will still run essentially the same on your machine without having to be recompiled. Compiling a programming language like Java is the act of taking the human-readable code that we've written and converting it to an interpreted machine-friendly code that unfortunately is usually not very friendly for humans to read or write. To do this, we use a program called the compiler, which takes in our code as text and converts it to the machine code. Traditionally, we would have to recompile a program for every system that it was going to run on, because all systems have a different idea of what their machine code should look like. Java circumvents this issue by compiling all Java programs to the same type of interpreted code, called bytecode. A compiled Java program in bytecode can be run by any system in which Java is installed, because when you install Java on your system, you install with it a Java virtual machine that's specific to that system. It is this machine's responsibility to convert that bytecode into the final instructions that head to the processor in that system. By making it the system's responsibility to do this final conversion, Java has created a write-once, run-anywhere language, where I can hand you a Java program and you can run it on your machine, being fairly certain that it's going to run in the same manner that it did on mine. This impressive level of cross-platform support on a language as powerful as Java is has made it one of the software developing world's go-to tools for quite some time. In the modern day, Java is used to develop desktop applications, web servers, client-side web applications. It's the native language of the Android operating system, which operates on Android phones and tablets. Java has been used to write video games and is sometimes even ported to smaller devices without a traditional operating system. Java remains a huge player in today's technical world, and I'm looking forward to learning it with you.